I'm using 20 by 30 poster board, and I'm going to cut this down 20 by 20. I'm going to measure 4 inches across: 4, 8, 12, and 16. You should have 4 sections, and I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom. Now I'm just going to line up the top and bottom marks and score the lines. You should have 4 score lines. Now I'm going to make a mark at 2, 4, and 6. Then I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing to the right side as well. Then I'm going to bring my ruler up to those 4-inch marks. So for this part, all I'm doing is just finding half the width for each section. So I'm just going to mark it 2, 6, 10, 14, and 18. So where I made the mark at, I'm just going to start at that point. I'm going to go 4 marks over to the left and draw a line. And then I'm going to come back to the middle and then go 4 marks over to the right. This is how long your line should be. You should have a total of 9 marks for each section. So now you want to bring your ruler up to the 2-inch mark. So where we made the score lines at, you're just going to mark at the 4, 8, 12, and 16. Now you want to start at the 6-inch marks. So now I'm just making another mark at those score lines: 4, 8, 12, and 16. So now you just want to draw a line to connect the corners, and we're just making a diamond shape. So starting on this side, we're just going to draw a line down to the 2 and a line down to the 6. And you want to repeat this on the other side. Now all you have to do is repeat this entire process for the bottom. It's the same exact thing. So now I'm just going to score the lines on both sides. So now I'm going to cut out all of the diamond shapes at the top and bottom. So once I'm done with that, now I'm just going to cut off the sides. Then I'm going to go ahead and fold the box. I use Cricut cut files to decorate the box. And this is the final look of the box. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.